celebrate the persons who gave life to our newlywed couple and brought them up to be a responsible and lovable one. Please meet the parents of Freddie, Mr. and Mrs. Haley. And of course, the parents of Dale. Please welcome Mr. and Mrs. Malik. And I'm sure that all of you are now excited to see Freddie and Bay as husband and wife. At this moment, before I give to you our newlywed, let me tell you on how they met. Paano po sila nagkita at humantong sa okasyon ito. Freddie and Maribel first met through their barkadas.
Oh, marap po ba
So as you see, they started as friends and became closer nung mag-aral sila ng reflexology. Sabi nga ng iba, the best way to express your feelings to the other is through the sense of touch. Maniniwala po ba kayo doon? Sense of touch. Yung mga kapis-hapis. Ayun, at nagkakulitan na ng loob sa kapis-hapis at pahimas-himas sa isa't isa. So, sinagot ni Maribel to Freddie last June 4, 2004, and after 4 years pag-uwi Freddie from Korea, they decided to start a new chapter, a new life, an unforeseen future, and unforeseen path, and promise each other that they will share one love, one lifetime. Ladies and gentlemen, may I invite you to please rise kahit po kumakain and put our hands together as we welcome Mr. and Mrs. Freddie and Bay Halili. Please give way sa ating newlywed. Palakpak naman po dyan. Freddie and Bay, stay in front and have your first dance as newlywed couple. Have a dance sa harap naman ng ating mga panauhin.
Soon